Hello and welcome back to Farmers Tale, your vision, our future. Today we came with a topic of symbols of secret societies. On the public demand, today our topic totally in English language. This topic is very interesting and mysterious. So watch full video till the end to understand the full concept. In this video, we will try to explain some popular symbols of secret societies.
So, without wasting any time, let's start our interesting and mysterious topic. It's showtime.
It's no mystery that America's colleges and universities are home to some of the most exclusive secret societies around. While some are more mysterious than others, all manage to remain relatively hush hush. The nature of these clubs has led to all manner of speculation, from pop culture spoofs to conspiracy theories involving some of the highest ranking government agencies about what goes on within their ranks.
Secret society have expanded throughout the history and count founding fathers and royals among their ranks. Members have been tapped to join the Knights Templar, the Freemasons, the Bavarian Illuminati, Skulls and Bones, and Bilderberg. The allure of secret society is part mystery, part of legend.
Here's a look at what little we know or don't know about some of the most famous of these underground societies. But shh, it's a secret.
The Knights Templars were warriors dedicated to protecting Christianity pilgrims to the Holy Land during the Crusaders. The military order was founded around 1118 when Hughes, a French knight, created the Fellow Soldiers of Christ and the Temple of Solomon, or the Knight Templars for short.
Headquartered at Temple Mount in Jerusalem, the Knight Templar were known for more than their military prowess forces in Europe after setting up a bank that allowed pilgrims to deposit money in their home countries and withdraw it in the Holy Land.
Their influence swelled to a new high in 1139 when Pope Innocent II issued a papal bull exempting them from paying taxes and decreeing that only authority that had to answer to was the Pope. At the end of Apex, their power, the Knights Templars owned the island of Cyprus, a fleet of ships, and lent money to kings. But not all the kings were happy customers.
The Knight Templar symbol. The cross of Lorraine is a double-barreled cross that is featured prominently in the coat of arms of the Dukes of Lorraine. After Lorraine, nobleman Godfrey became the king of Jerusalem during the First Crusade. The symbol became known as the Jerusalem Cross. When the Knight Templar arrived in the Holy Land, they adopted it as the symbol of their order.
During World War II, the cross of Lorraine was the symbol of the French. Due to resistance to Nazi rule, some eagle eyed observers have claimed to spot the cross of Lorraine in the Exxon and Nabisco logos and even now stamped on Oreo cookies.
The Freemasons. The Freemasons loom large in American history. After all, 13 of the 39 men who signed the US Constitution were Mason founding fathers like George Washington, James Monroe, Benjamin Franklin, John Hancock, and Paul Revere all counted themselves as members of the fraternal order. But who are the Freemasons?
The Freemasons can trace their roots to the Middle Ages in Europe, a time when most craftsmen were organized into local guilds. Cathedral builders, by nature of their profession, had to travel from city to city. They identify one and another via signs of their trade, like the builder square and compass in Freemasons, now iconic symbols.
The earliest reference to Masons is in the Regius poem or Halliwell manuscript, which was published in 1390. But Freemasonry, as we know it today, was founded in 1717 when four London lodges merged to form England's first Grand Lodge. Freemasonry quickly spread across Europe and to the American colonies.
Freemasons is not a religion, though members are encouraged to believe in a supreme being or grand architect of the universe. Masonic temples and conflict secret rituals have been brought them into conflict with the Catholic Church. Freemasons exist today, and their public image has been greatly influenced by the high profile charity work of the Shriners, a subset of Freemasons also known as Asian Arabic Order Nobles of the Mystic Shrine. The Shriners were founded by the Freemasons in 1870 at the New York City Knickerbocker College and continue their voluntary work today.
Freemason symbol, the square and compasses. The most recognizable symbol of the Freemason is the square and compasses. The right angle of the builder's square is joined by a compass, a central tool in geometry which according to some expert at MIT is represented by the G at the heart of the symbol. Others have interpreted the G as representative of the God, the grand architecture of the universe.
The eye of providence is on the dollar bill. The view of the all seeing eye as a Masonic symbol has been sharply debated. Long before the Freemasons, Egyptians used the eye of Horus, and the all seeing eye appears rapidly in Renaissance art as a symbol of Christianity and God's watchfulness. But organizations like Philadelphia Federal Reserve claim Freemasons, Henry Walls, and Franklin D. Roosevelt purposefully chose it when they redesigned the dollar bill in 1934.
According to the George Washington Masonic National Memorial, the all-seeing eye is a Masonic symbol of the watchful care of the supreme architecture that began appearing in printed Masonic literature in the mid 1700s.
The Illuminati. The Illuminati were founded by Professor Adam Bishop in Bavaria on May 1, 1776. Adam, chiefing the power of the conversion at Catholic Church and the Bavarian monarchy, sought to the cast aside organized religion in favor of a new form of illumination through a reason, inspired by the spread of enlightenment across Europe. He also drew up an idea expressed by the Jewish. He was a former member. The mystery of the seven sagas of Memphis, the Kabbalah, and the Freemasons.
The organization flourished before being stamped out by Karl Feder of Bavaria, who issued an edict making membership in the Illuminati punishable by death in 1787. But the death of the Bavarian Illuminati did not quell gossip about their clandestine activities, and conspiracy theories have linked the group to everything from the French Revolution to the assassination of JFK. The Illuminati served as inspiration for Dan Brown's Angels and Demons and Foucault's Pendulum by Umberto Eco.
Skulls and Bones. The Order of Skulls and Bones is a secret society founded at Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut in 1832. Skulls and Bones founder William Huntington Russell was inspired by an occult society he had visited in Germany. His co-founder was Alfonso Tuft, future Secretary of War under President Grant and father of President William Howard Taft, who would also be a member of Skulls and Bones. The prominent list of Bonesmen included several presidents and modern day power brokers.
Controversial 1986 exposed America's secret establishment by Anthony Seton claimed that Skull and Bones was out to create a new world order run by bonesmen, prompting myriad conspiracy theories. The symbol of Skull and Bones is appropriately a skull with two crossbones. What's less clear is the meaning of the number 322 beneath them. Yale Alumni Magazine points to a popular theory that is represent the year 322 BC when Alexander died.
Bilderberg. The first Bilderberg meeting was in 1954 held at the Hotel de Bilderberg in Netherlands, from which the organization gets its name. Convinced by the Prince Bernhard of the Netherlands, it was gathering of powerful politicians from North America and Europe designed to warmer relationship between the two continents among fears of growing anti-Americanism in Europe.
While not strictly a secret society like the Illuminati or Freemasons, Bilderberg's high-profile attendees previous guests have included Bill Clinton, Margaret Angela Merkel, Tony Blair, and Henry Kissinger, and its use of the Chatham House rule, blocking attendees from sharing what actually happens in meetings gives the group an air of mystery. Journalists are barred from reporting on it. Meeting minutes are not released.
Bilderberg attendees are selected by a dedicated international committee every year. About 120 to 140 people are invited, with about two-thirds coming from Europe and one-third from North America. The Washington Post reports that while backgrounds in government and political parties are the most common attendees from these fields, like academia, finance, and media, have also been included.
Bilderberg meeting conspiracy theories. The level of secrecy surrounding the Bilderberg meeting have given rise to many rumors, including unproven theories that Bilderberg attendees are behind the creation of the European Union, the invasion of Iraq, and the bombing of Serbia, reports the New York Times. Conspiracy theorists have painted the group as plotting a new world order. Their official website maintains, thanks to the private nature of the meeting, the participants take part as individual rather than in any official capacity, and hence are not bound by the convention of their office or by pre-agreed positions.
Publicly known topics of conversations for this year's Bilderberg meeting are Brexit, cyber security, and climate change. What happens behind the closed doors of this secret society has caused a debate for centuries. What's clear is that they continue to spark the imagination and curiosity of the public.
Illuminati programming colors, commercials, TV shows, music videos, you will always see the same color put together in the same theme. Red, purple are trigger, yellow, blue, green, These are very symbolic to bring out altars, part of mind control. For example, turn on Disney, Nickelodeon right now. You will always see purple and green, or blue, or yellow, or green together same how, like blue plus green, purple plus yellow, etc. These are always the only main colors shown to reinforce programming.
Purple. These alters see themselves as abusers rather than Illuminatis. These alters were involved with the programming. They have been taught to forget, abuse, and reframe it in their mind as training.
Green. These cat alters recognize they have been abused. They still see themselves as belonging to the cult family and deny that they have been abused to protect their cult family.
Blue. These altars will go so far as to hurt the body to protect it from leaking information or deprogramming.
Yellow. These are the strong Christian altars of which there will only be a few in the system. They help serve as a balancing point to control the system as well as the hide what the system is all about.
Red or ruby. Sexual alters beta programming. These colors are based on computer programming which monarchs face.
That's all for today's episode. Hope you have understood this explanation and hope so you have learned something new from it. Any doubts and questions among this topic, you can comment us below.
If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting regular updates about our new videos.
Friends, we will back with the another video soon. Till then, take care and keep watching.